o'clock in the morning, and the rain is falling. Now the Mississippi River's looking mighty high. Louisiana storm warning, and you're a sight, kid, for so right. And if you need an alibi, I will cover all your tracks. Yeah, baby, I got your back. You're a sight for so right. Courtyards old and overgrown, honeysuckle vines creeping. The secrets how they keep it. And there's a shotgun shack in the sugar cane.